Hello, Isis, Jessica, Allison. Let's see, anybody else late? You got to try not to be late because you don't always get responses, and there's no reason to be late. You know what the assignments are going to be well ahead of time. If you're having issues, just work ahead. So, Isis, am I saying your name right? Yeah. I agree with you. This is a very strong logo. You can see it from far away, and it's fun. Um, and the bright colors will work anywhere, any size. And it's so clever. I just saw that 31. Boy, can you imagine the work they put into figuring that out? How did I never see that before? It's like the FedEx logo. I've been teaching design for years, but I really only saw that arrow like a couple of years ago, and I was like, oh my gosh. But yeah, this one looks like stretched type to me. It's okay, but it is the color is sort of not it's not bright. The yellow doesn't say power. It just seems like an idea on a page of ideas. Like maybe they should have made that dot bright red. I have to agree with you there, definitely. All right, Allison, I'm seeing, okay, so you didn't embed the pictures. And, all right, so there's one. You think this one works? I think it's fine. It's a little hard to read what's going on there. Maybe it's not so effective because she put her name and type on a busy background that has black in it. Sort of competes with the word. I found this essay a little difficult to read because of the spelling and grammar errors and lowercase i's. Because this is college, you want to make sure that you spell check everything that goes into the classroom, spell and grammar check. If you have issues with that, you might want to get the software called Grammarly. It's free. I know a lot of people use it. I know professional copy editors that use it. But you just paste your work in here and it'll check everything for you. And I'm sure it doesn't do a perfect job, but it would do better than nothing. All right. So your ineffective branding example. I don't think this is branding. It's just a screenshot, right? It's not great. I can't tell what it's about, and I personally can't even read that, but I'm not sure that that's branding. Just looks like a picture of a camera. All right, Jessica, I think both of these logos are strong. Let me pause for a second and read what you had to say. Okay, yeah, I agree that these are both strong, and I'm skimming this essay, and it seems like you're saying both are strong. Yeah, both are really effective and unique. I think you were supposed to do one that was ineffective. That's why I'm a little confused here. Effectiveness and ineffectiveness. All right, so you got to make sure you read the directions before you post. All right, well, let me know if you have any questions.